Hi, I am Maria Willis. I am 8 years old and I attend Waterford Primary School and I am a child star.
Reading maketh a full man, or in Maria's case, a transformed girl. Very shy by nature, Maria is now blossoming into a little girl at her school Waterford Primary, excelling in reading, spelling and more.
Sandy ran away from home. Now he is lost. How will he get home? Sandy meets Paul. Paul is a friendly boy. Will he help Sandy?
2 years ago, Maria couldn't even read. But through careful guidance and care, she is now ahead of her peers. So what led to Maria's transformation? Well, it's all largely in part to the enrichment program.
This program is a program which was sponsored by Digicel Foundation and the Ministry of Education. It's an enrichment program for children, especially those who are slow in literacy. Although the room really should cater to children who are progressing too, special students, as well as those who are mastering in the area. But because of the grave situation at the school, we focus mainly on those who are very weak in literacy.
I could not identify the words and when I could not spell and read.
And Maria came to the room for 2 years, grade 1 and 2. When she actually did the tests for the room, Maria could not identify most of the letters and even to repeat their sounds. So I had to start from beginning with her. She couldn't even write her name well. But as the term progresses and the years progress, she improved greatly.
And it is that individualized instruction with Miss Myers which made the difference in Maria's journey. Help also included the use of technology, a critical part of the enrichment program, which includes games to make the learning process interactive and fun.
I used to play games the alphabetical beanbag, chill and play on the computer and play games and play hopscotch.
You're gonna construct the sentence now. Look at the words, say the words. What word is that?
Fly.
Fly loudly. Food.
Not. Spaceship. My.
Good. So now you have to write a sentence using these words. Which of these words would you start with first? My. Well, click on it. Good.
Spaceship.
Yes.
My spaceship could not fly. Yes, that's the message I want to send.
And even as she gets the assistance, Maria recognizes the role she has to play in her development.
I'll go home and read and study my words.
Through the power of words, Maria is changing the course of her future, excelling in both reading and spelling competitions at Waterford, even copying the champion spelling bee title in the school's competition.
This is for reading in my class, and this is for spelling bee. I feel happy because I couldn't read and I couldn't spell. Now I became a spelling bee champion.
And it's not only in spelling that she's been excelling. Maria's proving to be an all-round bright spark.
Is she correct? Yes. Give her a clap.
Maria also has the passion for another era, and for a school that has produced Olympic greats like Warren Ware, one can certainly understand why.
I like track and field because track and field, the coach make you run faster, and I like to be like Shelly Fraser.
And like Shellyan, she's already getting media buzz, having been featured in national newspapers for her tremendous progress.
When I saw myself, I felt so happy because it's the first time going in a newspaper.
Perhaps it's because it was through a teacher that Maria's life has forever changed, that she now has a strong conviction on the path ahead for her.
In the future, I want to become a teacher. I want to tell all the children that you must pay attention in class and that reading is fun. Spelling bee. I got stung by a bee. I won't tell you where. I got stung by a bee. I was just lying there. And it tattooed a message. I can't tell you where. That spells out, welcome. You have been stung by a bee.
Shine bright, don't